Are you interested in making money online? Topview just dropped an AI tool that turns a single product image into an ultra-realistic UGC videos. You don't need models, cameras, or shoots anymore. In this video, I'll show you how it works.
Ideal for kids and families, our inflatable pool is portable, durable, and easy to set up.
Conquer every ride effortlessly with our innovative electric bicycle.
Upgrade your space with this stunning sofa. Ultra plush cushions, durable fabric, and a sleek modern design.
This portable air conditioner offers powerful cooling and covers a wide area, boasting a versatile 3-in-1 function.
This lawnmower is specially designed for home gardening.
No problem. Our premium wigs are lightweight, natural looking, and super comfy.
このソファは人間工学に基づいたデザインを採用しており、
This cat food is really delicious. Meow, 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 meow.
Welcome to Ray Creators Lab, where we bring you everything about AI and online tools that you need to streamline your daily workflow. In case you are new here, kindly support my channel by subscribing. Like and share this video, and ensure you turn on the notification in order to be the first to get my videos when I make them. And to my returning subscribers, you are the real deal. I appreciate you and I say thank you for your support. Topview Avatar is the world's first AI avatar that doesn't just hold your product. Beyond handheld, it wears it, sits on it, and sells it. It markets any product of any size and in any language. Topview turns one product image into realistic avatar videos. No models, no cameras, just AI. The product avatar is ideal for Shopify, Amazon, DTC, and TikTok shops. They are more natural than ever before. This isn't the stiff, robotic avatar you saw last year. Now you have a precise lip sync to the syllable, subtle facial expressions, realistic hand gestures, and head movements. They look like real persons talking about your product. To use the Topview product avatar is very simple. Just follow the link in the description of this video, and that will bring you to Topview's website. Pick from 1,000 plus avatars. Add your product image. Choose the tone and script. Boom! Get a ready-to-use product demo video.
You no longer have to spend a lot of time and money searching for real models to showcase your products.
Do you want to go global? No problem. Topview supports 20 plus languages with lip-synced voiceovers. You are sure of a multilingual delivery, auto caption, and built-in emotion for global audiences. This is great for international campaigns without new shoots. Do you want a specific look or voice? You can face swap with your preferred avatar. Change the tone, script, or pose. Match subtitle colors to your brand. You have total control. Zero editing software needed. So why not go ahead and try it now? This might be the opportunity you have been waiting for to reach the world with your product. Follow the link in the description and start making money with Topview AI product avatar. Before I leave you, let me remind you that I have been compiling a list of AI tools that you can use to streamline your daily workflow. Check out the link in the description of this video to start using the tools. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. Like and share this video, and ensure you turn on the notification for more content like this. Thank you, and see you in the next video.